Hi, sisters! Hey, skinnies. Welcome back to my channel today.
Girlies.
Guess what? Because we're about to be doing something different, okay? It's still makeup related, but I'm pretty sure by the title, you know what is going on. So, today, I was like,
Hey.
why not follow one of my faves, like, makeup videos? Because why not? And I never really, like, go crazy with my makeup look sometimes. Like, the craziest thing I probably did was, like, that pink cloud and, like, that blue ice budget Elsa or whatever you want to call it. But today, I am going to be trying. Emphasis on trying. Because I'm not that good. Not good at all. I am going to be following Antonio Garza's makeup tutorial. Yes, I know. So, wish me luck. Hopefully this goes well. Probably not. But why not give it a try? I have my sister Mackie, and I am going to attempt to open it. Kind of scared. I just feel like I'm going to mess everything up. I feel like I'm gonna dishonor her, and love you the most.
Love you a lot.
But I apologize. It got a little crazy.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be filming this look. Let me just address the elephant in the room. I know I'm uglier. Like, I don't know what happened, but like, I don't know what happened, but I'm uglier, so that's BRB. Brow.
Okay, wait, okay.
Let's go.
So I gotta do my brows. Okay, be right back. I'm just gonna do what she did. Okay. Be right back. I mean, I low-key kinda snapped.
Can't snap.
I tried to make my brows thicker to make hers in honor of Garza's brows being thick. I tried to make mine a little thicker because mine are usually like really skinny. Let's get back to it, girlies.
Okay, now it's time to get to the dirty work. I'm gonna be putting some tape on.
I found tape. What?
Jesus.
Okay, let's try to get this on.
And we're just gonna be finessing that on our eye. So just in my the very socket of my eye.
The socket.
Okay, so I just need a blue and like
Put that in my crease.
The sockets.
I don't know if I would have like the exact match of blue, but I can try to. Yeah, I don't have like peacock. If that was okay, this palette is so messy. Oh my god. Closer. Up close and personal. My nipples. So I'm gonna take like this blue from the palette and just really like get it in the sockets, as she said.
For once. Get a little bit more on your brush, and this is where we need to start extending it out. So I don't know if you can tell, but it goes like, woo,
Woo!
When you hear that hurts, that means
You're done.
Okay, how long am I gonna be? Okay, how long? It's just looking pretty crazy. I apologize. I'm really just like messing everything up.
I love that.
So next step in this whole process is to cut
Finally.
cut the halo. So let me show you what's going on. So you see how when I'm looking back, I could see where that crease is right there. Go from there and right down. Okay, that was like not enough.
Okay. Yeah, okay, let me try. Okay, I think that's pretty.
Decent.
Like, does it need to be higher? Okay, I'm trying to make it a little higher. Okay, that's it. Because I'm scared I'm gonna make it worse.
So you can see now I did that, it's done, so I need to set it.
Okay, I'm gonna set it.
So I'm gonna get this gold color now. It's by Makeup Geek. It's called like Star Show. I don't know. What's it called? Magic Act. Okay, that was so bad. I'm just gonna put this on where I put my thing.
Okay, I'm gonna put on the gold color. I'm gonna take these two golds. I'm gonna use a setting spray to make it pop.
So I'm done with that.
Wait, did I do the wrong thing? I thought she was putting the glitter on her eyes. Ah!
5, 4, 3, 2. Now I'm gonna be putting gold glitter on that.
Okay, so I'm just gonna continue putting the glitter on. I just really want to apologize for my lack of talent. Like, I feel like I'm just really ruining this video for her because I'm not as skilled as her at all, and I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make it look better, and I'm starting to panic because it's not coming out how I envisioned it to.
Wait, what the frick?
I'm gonna take this, like, it's Wet n Wild. It's like this gold thingy. I'm gonna take my finger and try to like apply it with my finger, hopefully to make it pop. Okay, I made it look way better. Okay, that worked out better than I thought it would. Okay.
Done. So now that I've finished putting the glitter on, I'm gonna put more of the blue color that we've been using.
Okay, so I'm gonna just blend it into the gold. I look insane, but let's continue. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone before it gets worse. It looks nothing like hers.
Yoko, I did actually do liner.
For those of you who don't know, I am the worst when it comes to wing liner. I'm really bad when it comes to wing liner. Like, I can't do it. Like, I can't do it. So I'm going to try it. But if it comes out bad, don't at me, don't question me, don't say anything, okay? Don't comment, just let it go from your head like that. Let's give it a go,
Let's give it a go, girls.
I don't know if I should try to make it longer like hers because it will probably come out so bad. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do because I am really spooked. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and we're going to see what happens. I'll be right back. I mean, this wing is sort of living. She's really sick though, but this wing is like terrible. She's lazy. It's just so. I apologize, Antonio. I, by all means, do not mean to humiliate you, but it's too late. I'm so sorry. I'm just not good, and that's okay.
I'm just gonna do my foundation and stuff.
Okay, so we are done. So I'm gonna just do everything else and just come back.
Hey, girlies.
So I'm over here just in the face, doing the makeup, the huge, and just let me show you. What? Save me, please. Hey, what's up? Okay, so I finished and I really like how it looks. The wing liner was an issue. Like, No turkey, no bologna, no ham, no ma'am. It was not working out. It was like a little ghetto. It was a little ugly. It was a little, This one came out really nice, but then I got foundation on it, so I had to redo it. And this one just like started messing up and breaking off, so I had to go back in and finesse. Everything is like pretty cute, and I really like how it look, and I'm so happy I did this.
Vegan.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys love Antonio, because we all do. I'm pretty sure you're probably already subscribed to her, because like only have like 10 subscribers. Hello. But like, you know, might as well go ahead, sub to her channel, watch her video. It's litty, it's everything you could want. That's really it. You know, this video probably sucked, but I had fun making it, and I really enjoyed having, that's not what I meant to say. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you guys liked the video. Make sure, oh my god, I'm getting sick. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Do that. Get me money. Hello. Like, make me rich. What are you doing? Leave a comment. Like, I don't even know. Tell me how ugly I look. I mean, JK, don't do that. I already know. That's like, we love each other here. All love. Like, it's like, I don't know what time it is. Anyways, I always forget to promote my Instagram. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna follow my Instagram. Yes, follow my Instagram. Very important. Do that, okay? Alright. I will not forget to add that anymore, because it's like the third time. So follow my Instagram.
You have no choice.
And, subscribe. What are you doing? Why are you not subscribed to me yet? Hello? You should be subscribed, or I might pull up. I might pull up. Love you all. Make sure you join the Skinny Squad and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, Skinnies. Mwah.